Look at that necklace. It is so beautiful.
It is just a ring. I am only looking.
Beautiful choice, sir. That ring is very popular.
Oh, it fits. I am just checking the size.
Perfect. I will wrap it for you now, sir.
No. I am not buying it. I am only looking. Please do not wrap it.
Ben, look at me. How do I look?
Wow.
I know. Oh, I have to have it. I love it.
The ring is for her. Very good choice, sir. Very romantic.
Ring. Ring. What? Ring.
I dropped my phone.
Aw.
I am not buying it. I was only looking. Thank you very much.
I was also only looking. I am sorry. It is a beautiful ring.